Hey, I'm so excited about assembly last week. It was so much fun talking to everybody and talking to you and the conversations we had after about patient stories, about the impact you're going to have, about finding mentors and all things go with that. But today we're going to do something real important. We're going to do the drawing for the door prizes. We talked about the trip to Louisville where you can come see behind the scenes of a multi-million-dollar practice. We're going to fly you up. We're going to fly you back. We're going to pay for a hotel room for you and a friend. So it's not just you coming. And it's always a lot of fun. We have tons of students come visit, and I can't wait to have you here. So the other thing is those five $50 gift cards, my hands above the screen, $50 gift cards to Marriott Cafe, because who doesn't like to eat? And when you eat, you'll think about us, hopefully, and you'll have a great meal and won't go hungry. So I want to put you on the screen share here. I've uploaded all the names to the wheel, to the special wheel here. And we're going to do the drawing right now. We're going to start with the first $50 gift card. And I have Ricky here with me, have Alex here with me. And we're going to spin for the first $50 gift card to the Marriott Cafe. Here we go. Here we go. And the winner is Allie Robinson.
Let's go, Allie!
All right.
Won the trip?
No, she won the $50 gift card.
Oh,
We're starting with the gift cards.
I'm sorry.
All right, we're gonna remove Allie so she doesn't win the next prize. That's number one. We'll make a note of that.
I'm doing it right now.
Okay. All right, second $50 gift card. Boom, boom. Goes to Emma Jewell.
Go ahead.
Congratulations, Emma. Yay. All right. Third gift card. I love this. This is awesome.
Got yours. Oh, it's got your thing in the middle of it.
It does.
That's a lot of names.
It's 234 different people signed up.
Yeah, don't take me. Don't take it.
Octavius, good job. Hi. Yeah, I do too. You get the third gift card. Now I'm gonna email you as well, but you can send back and we'll get you that gift card. Number 4. Goes to Troylyn Jackson. Congratulations. Yay.
The last gift card.
And the last gift card goes to, and while this spins, I do want to thank out loud Dr. LaMarche and everybody on his team who made the assembly so much fun and so easy to do and for inviting me and working with me on that. Natalie Osborne. Osborne. I'm sorry. Osborne. All right. And now for the grand prize. Drum roll, please. For the trip to Louisville. By the way, this has no cash value. If you don't want it, we'll give somebody else. Let us know. The winner is Noah Raup.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Noah. That's awesome. That's awesome. We're so excited for you. Don't forget to like the YouTube channel this is posted on. You'll get videos about things that are important to you, like finding mentors, about your peak experience, what you can look for in your peak experience. And I am so excited for you. Thank you for being there, and I will see you soon. Have a great day.
Bye, guys.